OneKey Wallet DApp browser. How to connect to DApps in OneKey Wallet. In order to connect to decentralized applications known as DApps in the OneKey Wallet app, you want to simply open up your OneKey Wallet app over here. Then you can go to the Discover tab located from the very bottom right hand side of the screen. Now from here, go to the option called Browser. Now from browser, you can search for your target DApp. So it does not have to be specifically DApp browser itself, but you can use any of the other targeted DApps browser, or you can specifically go to DApp browser that you can see right over here. And when you go to that particular DApp browser, now you can just click on the Connect Wallet feature over there and choose the connection from your provider list. Then review the connection request preview and tap on approve and perform your desired action on the DApp. Review the transaction details carefully inside OneKey and confirm it. This way you can connect it to DApps in OneKey Wallet. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.